Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Welcome here at the Lamborghini stand for this 2019 Geneva's International Motor Show. So currently this is the world, not the world premiere, because we already have the coupe. But this year, for the Lamborghini here in Geneva, we've got the reveal yesterday of this all brand new Lamborghini Huracan Spyder. So yeah, there it is, very beautiful, very nice, in this bright green with all this black back all around. So yeah, can't wait, and let's get discover it just right here at the Lamborghini stand. Let's go. And here we start with the front of this Lamborghini. As you can see, everything like the front has been modified and has a new bumper as well. As you can see, there it is. I mean, the shape is almost exactly the same one, but as you can notice, you do have slight changement right here. You have these air takings right there, as you can see, and this is the whole car in the whole global with all the new system, like for example the LDVI, the Lamborghini Integrated Vehicle Dynamics. So this is one of the features that also helps the car for going faster and for moving on. 20 inches rims, look at that, look how stunning they're looking. 20 inches, very on black, shining, carbon ceramic, as you can see right here. All the intakes, and this is how the car looks in global, because we've seen the coupe version as well, but the Spyder is absolutely different. And look when the car turns itself, all the rear side of the car, the rear bumper has been modified as well. As you can see, you have these dual exhaust tips like on the SVJ and on the Performante. So now we do have it on this Lamborghini EVO, on the Roadster and on the coupe as well. So we obviously cannot really see the engine, but you have I mean, the engine is literally just hidden. On the EVO, the regular, you can see it, but on the Spyders it's more harder to grab a sneak peek of the engine. So yeah, and this is also a fixed rear wing, and you have all the walls who are just here like this, the air can cross just under. And yet the engine hasn't really changed except the power. So this is a 5.2 liter naturally aspirated V10 engine of 640 horsepower. Just before it was a 610 horsepower, but now it's a 640 horsepower for 600 newton meters of torque, what is really gorgeous, and from 0 to 100 in 3.1 seconds. So this is very, very cool and fantastic. And for the roof as well, you do have the it takes 17 seconds to take off the roof and to put it up and to put it down on the both on the both ways as well. I don't know what is he doing right here, but I want to show you the interior. Maybe he's showing the roof, and the top speed is 325 kilometers per hour. And the inside of the car is as much new as the exterior. So you do have these all green stitchings, the black and the green matching the car. 8.3 inch screen right here. And yeah, this is how the whole inside cabin looks with the new screen. And you have as well the brand new seats, the brand new seat design with the Huracan EVO that is just badge on the seats as well, with this headrest, also Lamborghini, and you have all the stitching. Even you have this carbon fiber for the seats, very, very beautiful. Huracan logo as well on the top for the Spyder. And this is how the car looks in very more general. Very beautiful machine, very something special, something unique, and a brand new model from Lamborghini with the SVJ as well. So these are really the two new novelties from this Lamborghini that is just right here. I hope that I can show you once the noise engine, or even to have the opportunity, maybe, who knows, to test it with Lamborghini, because this is really a craftsmanship, and it's really amazing. Look at that. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I really hope that you appreciated this very quick review of this all brand new Lamborghini Huracan EVO Spyder that is just right here on this very bright green. I mean, whatever Lambo, whatever Huracan EVO you take, in whatever color, it always looking very nice and sport look of this car. So yeah, hope that you appreciate it. It was very quick, I know. And hope to see you very soon for some other brand new videos who are probably going to arrive after the show or while the show as well. So yeah, thanks for watching and have a very nice day. Bye!